Well, on a beautiful day like today, it's a great time to go around the house and check for things like this, chipping paint. You need to take care of this now because you've got bare wood there. Rainwater is going to come in and it's going to rot. So today, I'm going to show you how to fix this. Well, like any paint job, the most important part of the whole thing is the prep. But before we even touch the paint, you want to make sure that this isn't lead paint, because a lot of these older homes were painted with lead, and we did test this and we're okay. This is not lead paint. Now we need to scrape back the paint as far as we can, as far as it stops chipping, and then we're going to sand it smooth with a sander. I've got a 5-in-1 tool, and all I'm going to do is go in and start scraping this back all the way until it stops chipping off. See how easy this is coming off? We're going to keep scraping until we can't take off any more paint. Now, by the way, if you don't have the original paint color to your house, save one of the paint chips and bring it to a paint store and they can match it pretty closely. I've got a mask now because it's time to sand. We want to smooth the transition from the paint to the bare wood, and I'm using an orbital sander. I've got 150 grit sandpaper on here. If you've got a lot of layers of paint, you can go down to 80 grit. All right, so we wiped it off with a damp cloth, just making sure it's dry and all the dust is gone. Now it's time for a primer. I like to put 2 coats on, and when that's dry, we're gonna put 3 coats on of a really, really good exterior top coat, and it will look as good as new. We're now ready for our 3rd and final coat. One tip, you want to make sure you match the adjacent siding. In other words, the siding outside of here is a little rough, so we don't want to just put this on nice and smooth. We want to put it on and dabble it so it gives it a little bit of texture. Well, it looks pretty good, but you know what that means. Now I've got to do the rest of the house. Where are my boys? Boys!